All right, welcome back, students. All right, Anu, in case the students who are left, they don't respond, yes, we can start with a new topic, right? However, once I want to give them a chance to reply. So we were left with, see, Abhishek, am I audible? Yes, Abhishek, 162 and 164. Okay, what about Nakul? Nakul and Arun, am I audible? Okay, Daljit and Divyanshu, am I audible? Hanji, what about Gurjinder?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Gurjinder. So,
Ma'am, in
Hanji,
my thinking of way, meaning of life is to get success in your life, complete your motives,
right,
helping others,
Hanji,
and to get rich in your spiritual values,
all
and want
right,
to free from evil forms like selfishness, anger, revenge, jealousy,
hmm,
and hardworking and obedient, cultured in the look of your parents,
all right.
and to do something different and what you like to do.
Okay, so that is wonderful. So you covered a lot of important points in very few words, right? So that was a good answer. So Satyam says that according to my point of view, life means to enjoy every moment, every day, every hour, every minute, and every second because life is priceless. All right. That is also good, Satyam, that at times we forget, what a wonderful gift is being alive, right? Okay, so Gurjot, do you also want to share your views? Hanji Gurjot.
Ma'am, same point of view like Gurjinder.
Hanji, kind of same points as Gurjinder.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anything that you might want to add or subtract? Maybe you don't like something or you want to add something. No?
मैं बस यही अपनी अपनी लाइफ में एक पहचान बनानी चाहता हूँ मैं.
Okay, very good. So you want to
Yes, ma'am.
have your own identity, right? Something that
Yes.
sets you apart from others.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that is wonderful. So what about who all are left? So what about Harsimran, Jaskaran? Harsimran, Jaskaran? हाँ जी बच्चे, Kanwardeep, what about Lovepreet? Yes, Manjot, Neha. अच्छा, background noise है. Kanwardeep, then you can reply in the chat, don't worry. Yes, Neha, Pavandeep. हाँ जी, रजनीश, ऋषभ, सार्थक. हाँ जी बच्चे. शालिनी, सिमरप्रीत कौर. All right, so Simran has replied that life is a present that we are living and we don't know when it will end. So her goals, Simran? All right, so my goals are to stay happy and fulfill all of my dreams and my mother's dreams. All right, I wanted to be so successful that you can do everything for your family. All right, that is again very good. So, okay, the rest of the students, anybody who would like to reply, otherwise we can pick a new topic. हाँ जी बच्चे. Yes, Rajneesh, Shalini, Simar, Simran, Suman. हाँ जी बच्चे, विजय, युविका, सुरभि. हाँ जी. So, बच्चे, just even if you want to, say something in a single line, you can, you are most welcome to share that. It does not have to be a long answer.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ जी, good morning.
Ma'am, meaning of life means that live in present, enjoy every moment of life. It's okay to think about our future, but if our present is good, then our future also become bright. And it also teach that there is too many problems, tension in everybody's life. But if we learn from these difficult situation, then we much experience that how to solve them and move further, live life properly that we want, how we want all things.
Right, very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ जी ऋषभ.
Ma'am, I think life is everything which we see, but we should also think about future. If we want our life to become happy and become good, so
Right.
that's why I think we should think about future, and we should also take a knowledge from our past mistakes. So that's why I think thinking about future is very important for making life good, good and luxury.
All right. So yes, that is also true. I agree with your viewpoint that, from the past we learn from our experiences, right? We learn from our mistakes and we can apply those same lessons to our present as well as our future. And thinking and planning about the future at the same time is also important so that you have a vision which you are working towards, right? So I agree with
Yep.
you. And yes, I believe that the rest of the students, they meant that we should not be obsessed with anything, right? Don't be obsessed with the past or the future, right? It is important at the same time to live in the present moment. But yes, you can definitely keep the past in mind and the future in mind so that the steps you take up, they are in your best interest, and also you take into account whatever you have learned so far, right? So Rishabh, that was a very good answer. All right. So Yuvika say life is very beautiful and it's just our vision, how we see life and what we want to do. All right. Simarpreet says that life is an opportunity to do good. Therefore, it does not matter how long you live. All matters how well you live. Very good, Simarpreet. Again, pearls of wisdom from your class. All right. Wonderful. So Anu also says that she is giving an example that since she is an average student, so she is not too fond of studying. However, she likes to spend life, spending time in nature. So yes, for her, life is not all about studying, it is also about other things. I agree with you, Anu. No doubt the society would want you to believe that studying and getting good marks is everything, but yes, that is not everything. There are a lot of other things as well. Hanji, so anybody else who would like to say something? Hanji, बच्चे. Yes, just Karan, Jatinder, Lovepreet, Manjot, Neha, Pavandeep. Yes, Rahul, Rajneesh, Sarthak, Simran, Suman. So usually you guys do respond. What happened? आज क्या हुआ? हाँ जी, सुरभि. I am sure all of you have something or the other to say about this topic, right, बच्चे? So see, in the Viva you won't get this choice. इधर तो आप चलो आराम से चुप बैठे हो. You can pretend that you are unable to hear me. Haha. So Satyam says it's not, life is not simple, it's more like a jalebi. All right. So yes, there are a lot of unexpected twists and turns, right? So life is always testing you as well. Hanji, Suman, Simran, am I audible? Yes, Surbhi Sharma. Okay, so Chandan has also replied. So according this is Chandan's answer, that according to me, life is too long. So we have to change ourselves at every stage of life. Do what you want. Don't ever be in panic. Don't ever panic in front of others about your opinions. Failure is the most important thing to change yourself. Hard work in your present to enjoy your future, and try to learn something new in every leisure time. Take risks at every step and enjoy your life. Very good. I like your answer, Chandan. See, Amandeep disagrees with the jalebi comment. She says it's as straight as kurkure. Acha, this is something similar. So you are drawing an analogy. So Lovepreet says that I want to live life where I am able to bring a change, whether it's a small one or a big one, and the people are true to you and you're not judged by the society. I think Lovepreet, all of us want that, not to be judged by the society, right? So again, wonderful answer. Chandan, you have also written well. All right. So how would we like to conclude? So I say that yes, most of you agree that, so all of us have some common, rules or some a common vision of what we want our life to be or how we want to lead our life, right? So we want to lead our life on our own terms, right? And being happy. And we want to make our own decisions. We want to be our own masters. So most of you are not ready for those. You want, that is not your dream job, right? 9 to 5 job. You want to explore the world on your own and come up with your own venture, right? So Ishant says that no matter if you're successful or unsuccessful, popular or unpopular, nothing will go with you in the end other than happiness or regrets. Just live the life in your own way and don't hurt others. Right? So Ishant, you have a very practical view of life and I really like that. Right? So this is what we forget, that jo bhi hona hai, that is all here. It is all transient. Nothing is going to stay permanently with us, right? So why to fret and worry about all those things? Isn't it? So again, that is a good point of view. So anybody else? Just Karan, Jatinder, Neha, Pavandeep. See, nobody has replied from the civil class. Neha, Pavandeep, yes. Arun, Nakul. I'm sure you have something to say about, what is the meaning of life or how you want to lead your life. You can reply in the chat in case you don't want to speak out. Hanji Neha, am I audible? Yes, Neha, am I audible? Pavandeep, am I audible? हाँ जी, पवनदीप, नेहा, नकुल। See, बच्चे, this way I cannot mark you present. You are not even responding in the class. All right. Anyway, so okay, who would like to just give me few pointers about what we think how life should be led, right? Or what is important to us. So life में negative and positive turns दोनों आते हैं, बट हमें कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होना चाहिए एंड हमेशा पॉजिटिव होके फॉरवर्ड चलना चाहिए. लाइफ में सक्सेसफुली मनी अर्न करना ही जरूरी नहीं है, एक गुड पर्सन और गुड पर्सनैलिटी भी होना जरूरी है. सो सिमरन कौर, वेरी नोबल व्यूज. हाउएवर you could have tried to write them in English. You have written well. Oh, I hope everything is all right at your end. Yes, Simran. So I appreciate that you are, attending the class side by side. But in case anything important has come up, you can certainly attend to that and let me know in advance that you won't be able to attend the class. All right, Simran? Anyway, all right. So yes, as I was talking, if we were to summarize, so right, we want to lead our life in our own way. Yes, Tamanna, could you please read out this message?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Ma'am, in life, the most important thing which matters is our internal peace. We should stay away from such type of people who are filled with negativity and try to throw that negativity in our life too. मतलब उनकी अपनी लाइफ में तो कुछ अच्छा हो नहीं होता, जो हमारी लाइफ में होता है उसे भी वो खराब करने की कोशिश करते हैं.
All
तो
right.
ऐसे लोगों से और ऐसी सिचुएशन से ज्यादा हो सके तो दूर ही रहना चाहिए.
Right. So we should stay away from pessimistic people, right? So people who tend to think on negative terms more often than on positive terms, right? All right. So Amandeep is trying to simplifying it for us all that, most important is oxygen. Without oxygen, it is impossible to think about life. So rather than, getting into all this conundrum about what is important, how you want to lead your life, that is it. So Amandeep, I like that idea as well. All right. So yes, we did end up talking more about what is important to us in our life, how you want to lead your life rather than what is the meaning of life. But I believe both of these are connected, right? So your answers were also very good, very thoughtful, very deep, right? So I am surprised that at your age you have your thoughts all sorted out. You have it planned for you how you want to lead your life, right? So your principles, your morals, your ethics, they are quite your values. You have figured them out for yourself, and it is actually very important to be clear about that, to be clear about what is important to you and what is not. At times people even grow up, they are let's say in their 40s, they are in their at their midlife, and yet they are not clear about what matters to them, right? So you should always have this vision very clear that what is important to you, what matters to you, why, because those things will be guiding you throughout your life. अगर अब किसी के लिए honesty एक important value है, so that person will be honest most of the times, right? That person won't be कैसे चलो अगर कहीं पे ज्यादा फायदा हो रहा है, however you have to go through some dishonest means, तो आप वो करोगे. No, if your value, for you honesty is important, you will definitely stick by that and your actions will be governed by the same, right? So this is why it is important कि आपका mind में clear हो कि आपके लिए क्या जरूरी है, क्या करना चाहते हो, right? So that is another point why we have these discussions, basically my idea is for you to be clear with your viewpoint and to be confident in presenting the same, right? So in case somewhere you are short for words, or in case you are unable to come up with how you say the same in English, I am here to help you, right? So this is why the whole idea of a group discussion. No doubt it would have been, much better had this been taking place in a classroom. However, till the time we cannot meet in a classroom, let's make the most of what we can over the Zoom platform. All right. All right. So Gurjot has a different opinion that whenever someone sees two ways, they will probably choose the wrong way, just like at times we choose the way which is most chosen, regardless of whether it is right or wrong. So yes, Ishant, we should definitely, try something. And yes, it is, better to have failed than to have never tried at all, right? So you are also, I think, trying to say the same thing, that we should not hesitate to do something that we really want to, that we really like, on account of the fear of failure. So that should not hold us back. All right, so wonderful. I think this exercise must have, given you some food for thought, made you think about life, about what is important to you, right? At times we do not reflect on these questions. However, it is important that we have this discussion with ourselves, have this conversation with ourselves and with others about what matters to us. All right, bache. So I think we have 10 minutes to go, so it won't make any sense to start a new topic. However, if you want to add anything to the discussion we just had, you are most welcome, right? I would prefer that you speak it out. However, in case background noise is there or you are facing network issues, you are most welcome to post your message in the chat. So I'm going to repeat the names of students who have not responded yet. So Simmerpreet says that life is not defined by circumstances and it is not defined by what happens or does not happen to you. It is defined by how you react to something when it happens to you. All right, Simmerpreet, that is also true. That, it is how we fight those circumstances which matters and not what circumstances we are facing. Exactly, because we are shaped by our experiences, right? So everybody has their own unique experiences. What you might have experienced that might not have happened to someone else. And that is what makes you unique as a person. And how well you fight those experiences, those difficulties is what matters. All right, so Anu Gupta says the meaning of life is to move on without any fear. All right, so let me just give you one brief activity before we end the class. So all of you just reply in one way, is one sentence, right? That what life means to you. So Anu Gupta has replied that it means to move on without any fear, right? So if you were to just summarize in one sentence or maybe few words, what would you say? Hanji bache. Post your messages in the chat and I will read them all out. This way we can, I think this is a good way to conclude the group discussion. Yes, very good. All right, I'm waiting for a few more replies and then I'm going to read them all out. So Yuvika says life is a freedom from judgment. So Simarpreet says life is a journey and not a destination. Tamanna says it is to do our best without interfering in others' life. So Ajayjeet says, full of obstacles, but you have to work for your life. All right. So Vishal Gupta says it's all about enjoyment, ups and downs. Gurjot says, why to die as a normal person? So die like an immortal person who will live long in people's hearts. Very good. So Yuvika says, meaning of life is to learn from every small thing which happens. And Ishant says, life is getting better day by day. All right. So what about others? Harkamal, Gurjinder, Divyanshu, Daljit. So Surbhi Sharma says, meaning of life is when you stop chasing about yourself and you start helping others who are unable to survive due to health issues. Very good. So Arun says, life is what happens when you are busy making other plans. Very good, Arun. You should have shared this earlier, right? So Amandeep says, life is much easier and coolest when apple and blackberry are just fruits. All right, Amandeep, I really like your one-liners. So Ajayjeet says, life is a circle in which what you do with others, you have to face the same. So karma theory, right? That it comes back to you. So Shalini says, life is like a teacher. It teaches us everything in every stage of our life. So Divyanshu, a very, skeptical point of view that हर बंदा अपने मतलब लिए बचता है. Okay, so you mean people are more concerned about their own selves. So Pradeep says enjoying fully and maintaining liberty and discipline. All right. So Nakul says keep moving even if you fail every time. So you have experience, at least you will have experience, right? Okay, Divyanshu. Yes, I agree with you. You know, at times, see, most of the times you have to fetch for yourself, right? You cannot rely on others always. Okay. So see, जैसे they, most of our what example they give that we come alone in this life and that is how we leave, right? So yes, Divyanshu, I agree with you on that as well. That people will definitely be more bothered about their own selves than being selfless. However, that is the lesson we should be learning, that unlike others, we should try to be helpful and try to reach out whenever possible or whenever others require that. So Vishal Gupta says life is like a complex number. It has both a real and an imaginary part. All right. Very good. I like your observations. All of you are coming up with good ideas. So Harkamal says that you don't grow when you are comfortable. So Gurjot has drawn analogy with science that Newton's first law says that to every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So that is also true for life, right? That is true for karma. That is how it works. So Anu Gupta says purpose of our lives is to be happy. So Ishan says there is no particular meaning. Everybody has their own meaning of life as per their experiences. So Vishaka says when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. All right. And Vishal Gupta says life will be very precious if you see the positive side and will be very bad if we see the negative side. So the balanced view always works, right? Appreciate the positives and keep in mind the negatives, right? So since life is full of ups and downs. It cannot be always a smooth ride. So that is wonderful. That is, wonderful contribution from all of you. So Manav Sharma says every challenge gives you a chance to learn something new. So keep growing. Very good. Okay, Amandeep. So your analogies won't stop, right? So life is like a burger now, and we are in the middle, right? So that aloo tikki and problems from both sides are the burger ones, and we have to face it. Okay. So I like your very quirky view of life. So Yuvika says that the dream we see, we should make it real and not let it be the real. All right. Satyam Singh says, in current situation, life, we should be saving our life using the N95 mask. Nishant, I like that. So Anu Gupta says, make your life a masterpiece and don't limit your imagination on what we can be or we can do. All right, Vishal. So that was a good discussion, right? Quite deep and also quite serious, right? And I am very happy that, most of you have something or the other to say about it. You have your vision clear in your head, right? So Manjot, Pavandeep, you did not reply. Rahul, Rajneesh, Sarthak, Suman. I would have loved to hear your views as well. Jaskaran. So yes, Vishakha, I think, what you have written, Shakespeare also says something similar, that life is a circle of happiness, sadness, hard times and good times. So if you're going through hard times, have faith that good times are on the way, right? All right. So students, that was a very good discussion. I had a very good time. I found it to be very interesting and I learned a few things from you guys as well. And I hope the same is true for you. See, this is what happens when, let's say, 40 or 30 of us are sharing our views. We get to hear so many different perspectives and opinions, right? And you get to see things in a new light which you might not have considered before, isn't it? So I hope you all enjoyed the discussion as much as I did, right? And in the next classes, yes, I will have a list ready of students who have already presented and the students who are left with the two, you are who are yet to present their PPTs. So you still have time, don't worry. In case you did not get the time before, you are most welcome to prepare one now and present it next week, right? See, I just need something. Though I do know those of you who reply and who actively participate in the class. However, the idea for a PPT presentation was that each one of you should get the chance to do the same, right? So we will meet again in the next class. So, okay, Rahul's message is coming in. Meaning of life is to be happy, to be successful, and to delete negativity. All right, Rahul. That is again a very good and very practical view, right? Not to over fret or overthink or unnecessarily worry about something, right? So students, that was wonderful. That was a very good discussion and I'm happy those of you who replied and shared your views, right? Keep that up. You keep the class alive and you make these discussions very interesting. All right. So we will meet again soon. Till then, yes, those of you who are yet to present, take your time, you can do so. So Rajneesh Kumar is replying, everything in life happens for a reason, so live it and love it. Use your smile to change the world and don't let the world change your smile. All right, very good. Rajneesh, Rahul, आप पहले आपने reply नहीं किया, what happened? Right, so you shouldn't hesitate to share your views. Don't worry के कैसे होंगे. All right, so Tamanna, we don't have any news yet about college reopening. Right, so it all depends on the government, what the government decides, right, the guidelines. So till the time they don't feel it is safe for you to return to college, they won't let us open the college, right? However, we can stay hopeful, right? And we can just pray that the cases subside so that we get to meet each other, right? So, bache, that is it for the class today. Thank you very much for attending the class and also adding to the discussion, right? Thank you, Gurjot. You too, all of you have a good day ahead. So now we'll meet on Friday. All right, goodbye.